life. Yeah. Let's get it. I need to get a cup of coffee. Hey man, smash that like if y'all need a cup of coffee, dog. Let's get it popping, man. Let's go. Hey man, bless y'all though, man. Love. Make sure y'all subscribe, join the channel, you know what I'm saying? It's MVision, baby. We got the vision. We got the vision. You on television. But anyway, man. We about to hit the highway. Like that. Shawty got them lights out, Shawty got them lights out, Shawty. Gotta leave my lights on too, bro. I leave all the lights on, TV on, everything on. You know? That way. I promise y'all, man. We're about to turn the vlog up, you know? Y'all know. It be like that. Shawty going with the school bus. School bus blowing by me. Boy, you late. I'm chilling. I just got passed by the yellow bus. Who driving it? That's all I want to know. Who's driving it? It ain't one of them kids, is it? Yeah. You know. I'm chilling though. Yeah. Stop at the light. Stop at the light. Yeah, we stop at the light, shawty. Yo, who leave a Starbucks straw in my car, shawty? I know that's the work of my little daughter, man. Starbucks, where you are? And my day gonna be interesting as at 3 a.m. I got out my bed, went in the fridge, shared me out some curry goat at 3 a.m. That's how I do it, Captain. I ain't supposed to wake up hungry as a pimp. No! Gotta be loaded, pimpin'. Yeah. Boy, them girls be at the pool. Oh. Yeah, I know about that pool. Should I get me some snacks at BJ's for work? Yeah. Let's be real though. Subscribe. Subscribe, Charlie. Subscribe, Charlie. And we ain't going that way, Charlie. We going the other way. You know to read the street sign, Charlie. Come on, you got them little wheels like a donut. Don't you flip that thing now. I'm having fun watching this dude about to scrape the top of the school bus. He's drunk like he had 5 cups of coffee. He a little too crunk in the morning time. Oh, we on the highway now. We got no more time for this. Take your butt home with that, man. We got time for that, bro. I want to hear Hellcat music. Now, you know what? I told my mama I wasn't going to speed. Let me chill. My mama personally asked me not to speed, shawty. So I'm chilling. I'm relaxed, shawty, right now. On my way to Starbucks. Why should I speed to Starbucks, shawty? It's all fun still, isn't it? Yeah. You know you want to speed, but you don't want to speed. I'm feeling them. I'm going to tell my mom, so you make a yellow bus pass me on the highway because I'm trying to be good. Alright, cool, let him go. Promise is a promise. Keep it, man. I'm chilling. Chilling. But this traffic, bro, I'm telling y'all, bro. She ain't the one gonna be no traffic. I could tell y'all that. I ain't speeding, but I ain't slowing down on this one. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be smart, shawty. It's about to be rush hour. She ain't gonna be no traffic. Hey, shawty. Going by my girl, go pinch her on her butt. Wake up. I'm on my way to New York, shawty. We're going to New York, shawty! We're going to New York! I've never been there! Let's go to New York, shawty. That's what the exit said. New York, New York! Woo! Yeah, man. Fun on the road, son. This MVision. You get the vision? It's motherfucking vision, son. Oh, this traffic out here. I ain't trying to be in that. Trying to roll roll up a spliff by a certain time. Shit. Shawty up too, man. Goofy, he can't turn over here. Where the fuck this Goofy going, man? Oh my god. He must be drunk. This dude trying to out-turn me out the exit. I can't believe this. This don't make no sense. Let me get away from around people like this. We know about Gucci Man, but we ain't know they got Goofy Man. That's Goofy Man right there. Let me get the fuck away from Goofy Man. What type of driver do that? I'm getting on the exit, you boxing me in the exit. What the fuck you doing? I don't want me to get the Starbucks, shawty. I got a bad one waiting for me, dog. You see it? Y'all let them know me attack, but yeah. Pick up 2 cups of coffee. Shawty! Ring, 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 ring. You imagine me drive from another state to New York just for a cup of coffee. What kind of coffee is it? Sheesh. Oh, I gotta go to the gumbo store as soon as I touch down, shawty. Like I was gonna slide and don't get no gumbo. You know what I'm saying? And this bitch let it smoke too. Oh, we about to have some coffee and some motherfucking good smoke. Huh. Yeah, bitch, you. Yeah. Life is good. I need to be entertained, man. Come on. Do your thing, shawty. Go on. I don't want to be in the race, but I want to see this fucker going on. Do it. Drive on the sidewalks. You got a 4-wheel drive. Oh my Lord. I don't want to fuck with y'all, but I don't want to be left out either. You know them type of vibe. You ain't trying to participate, but as well you ain't trying to be left out either, man. I'm on a promise though, so I can't speed right now. I have to chill. You feel me? Ain't trying to do the most. Yeah, don't try to do the most, man. That's how some brothers end up turning to ghosts. Trying to do the most.